Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Mr. Zaman and today I'm going to talk about smile can improve your mood. When we are happy, we smile. The corners of our mouths move out and up, our cheeks lift and the skin around our eyes crinkle. But does it work the other way? Can posing our muscles in a smile brighten our mood? This question has been part of a long-standing debate among psychology researchers about whether facial expressions influence our emotional experience, an idea known as the facial feedback hypothesis. In a recent paper published in Nature Human Behavior, an international collaboration of researchers led by Stanford research scientist Nicholas Coles found strong evidence that posed smiles can in fact make us happier. The researchers created a plan that included 3 well-known techniques intended to encourage participants to activate their smile muscles. 1/3 of participants were directed to use the pen-in-mouth method, 1/3 were asked to mimic the facial expressions seen in photos of smiling actors, and the final third were given instructions to move the corners of their lips towards their ears and lift their cheeks using only the muscles in their face. The cells to be blamed for junk food in the brain. A region of the brain called the amygdala is responsible for powerful emotions like fear. Now, researchers have found the amygdala may also be to blame for overeating. Cold Spring Harbor Lab professor Bo Lee has discovered a group of neurons in the amygdala that drives mice to eat fatty or sugary foods, even when they're not hungry. Therapeutics targeting these neurons could lead to new treatments for obesity with minimal side effects. Like most people, mice also tend to find foods high in fat and sugar the tastiest. They may indulge in these treats for pleasure rather than for survival. The neurons Lee and his colleagues studied trigger this behavior called hedonic eating. Gene mutations in tumors impact radiation sensitivity. A new Northwestern medicine study identifies common and rare gene mutations that impact radiation resistance and sensitivity, an important step toward providing more individualized and effective radiotherapy for patients with cancer. Studying tumor from 27 different types of cancers, investigators profiled 92 genes with 400 unique mutations and determined the impact of these genes on radiation response. They developed a computational algorithm that nominated mutations in genes that were likely to affect sensitivity to radiation. Scientists tested these mutations by placing them in several human cells and assessed their impact using high-volume arrayed phenotypic profiling. Cancer genomics spurred silver bullet drugs radiotherapy is more complex. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.